Hello everyone, it's Leah here again, and as you can see I have a new project for you. This album, as you can see here, is very small. I mean very small. It's 6x6 mini album, and it's so simple and easy and quick to make that you will not believe it. All right, now I would like to show you quickly the outside, the covers and the spine of this album. As you can see here on the front cover, I have like few mats, like 4 mats, and this frame here, and this frame is actually made with molds. And then here you can see this journal phrase in the middle of the frame. So this is everything from the paper collection that I used, and here on the spine you can see this journey saying. So these letters are also made from molds, and I think molds are so great because you can use them over and over again, and really I like them. So lately I'm using molds a lot. All right, so what else is here? Oh, and then here on each corner of the front cover you can see this 4 metal embellishments, and then here is this airplane embellishment. I think it matches so well with the collection. And what I try to do with this album, I try to minimize the cost of the materials, because we all know that scrapbook papers can be very pricey. Here are 2 pads that I used. Actually, I used 6x6 pad for the album, and then here I have backgrounds pad that I use. So only these 2 pads, and like I said, this is 6x6 album, and you can add up to 38 photographs in the album. Okay, so let's start with first page. Actually, this is cover page. It's inside front cover page, and all I did here is like 2 flaps, and then here spaces for photographs. And just one tip that I would like to give you: wherever you see mats for photographs, you just cut your photograph like maybe 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch smaller in height and width, so it will fit then perfectly to your mats. So you can have like 1/8 or 1/16 of an inch border around your photograph then. And then you will see some larger tags, and these tags are from 12x12 paper. So I only use 1 sheet of 12x12 paper only for tags. Otherwise, those 2 pads that I showed you. And I need to tell you that the tutorial of this album is available in my Etsy store, and I will also put a link below. All right, so here is page 1, and as you can see, here is the pocket with the insert, and then is 1 flap that opens to the top, and then you have another flap that opens down, and here in the middle you can add another photograph. So this is page 1, and let's see page 2. So again, a tag from 12x12 paper, and oh, and this embellishments here, actually these tags, these are all from 8x8 pad, no, from 6x6 pad, and they look so great. They are such a beautiful addition to the album, so I really like them. All right, so then you have 1 flap, and then another flap that opens to the left, and here on the inside you have another flap that would open to the right. So this is page 2, and then here I have smaller pocket with the insert, and also this insert is matted with a tag, and also the part of the pocket is matted from the same tag, this larger tag. And then this flap opens, and then you have larger flap, and then here you have another flap from the inside embellished with tags and this sayings or phrases, and then it opens, and look at that, it's so beautiful. And really this is so quick and easy to make. And then let's see on the other page, I think this is already page 4, you have another pocket with insert inside, and then this flap would open, and then you have here another flap, opens down, and then this paper, it looks so cute to me with this bird. And that was page 4. And here let's see what's going on page 5. Again, another insert. Oh, and I didn't mat the back of the inserts, so you can use scraps of paper after you finish with your album, and you can also then mat the backs of your inserts. All right, so this is pocket, and again another tag from 12 by 12 paper, and it opens, and then you have another larger flap, and as you can see here is another tag from 12 by 12 paper. Or if you don't want to add tag here, you can add photograph, so you will still have more spaces for photograph. So that's all. And let's see what the last page. So here is page 6, and here is a pocket with the insert, and look at these beautiful phrases, and then it will open, and you have, look at that, space for photograph, and then both flaps open to the left, and you have another flap from the inside. And here I would like to show you, you can see this hinge is actually attached over photomat, but I didn't attach it all the way down. I left this part without glue or tape, and because you can then tuck your photograph behind and adhere it nicely on photomat. So there you go. Other way, if you attach it all the way down, then you will be able to adhere your photograph only like this, and you will have too much this white paper, too much border of the white paper. So it's really important that you do not adhere it all the way down. All right, so this is this, and here is back cover page, and all you have on this page is flap, and then the flap opens, and you have some space for photographs, and you have some more tags left, and you can embellish here this flap a little bit more. So I think I will do it later. I forgot to do it now, but I will do it later. So this is the album. I hope you like it, and it's perfect for like any travel themed album, and I really think these papers are very beautiful. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon with another project, and by then have a nice time and goodbye.